Most AI startups die because they are financially blind. They pay for the same LLM call three times because their workers collided, or they analyzed the same resume twice because they didn't deduplicate at the database level. If you're building an AI SaaS application, your database isn't just for storage, it is also your job orchestrator. Today, we are building a production ready PostgreSQL schema that tracks every token and ensures that your workers never step on each other. In your analysis table, we are using strict state machine. We don't just use a string for status. We use a check constraint to ensure that a job is only ever in one of the four states: queued, processing, completed, or failed. This prevents zombie states that break your front end. Now let's look at the resume table. The secret weapon here is resume text hash. We create a unique index on user ID and resume text hash because this helps. How? See, if a user tries to upload the same resume twice, the database is going to reject. In a world where LLM calls cost cents per request, this constraint alone saves a massive amount of money at scale. This is one of the most important functions. Claim next analysis job. This tells your Postgres database that if another worker is already processing this job or this row, skip it. But look at this part. Started at greater than now minus interval of 5 minutes. If a worker crashes while calling OpenAI or Gemini or any other LLM you're using, the job stays in processing forever. That job is lost. This line of code automatically requeues it. It's a self-healing. When you have 10,000 resumes, you can't scan the whole table. That is not practically possible. We use a partial index. We only index the rows that are actually in the queue because those are the only rows you are going to process. This keeps the index tiny and ensures that our workers find new jobs in milliseconds, regardless of how your table is going to scale. How big your table gets doesn't matter. Finally, look at our JSONB result storage. We log the exact token usage and duration of every request. We treat AI calls like server health metrics. If a model is burning through your budget, you need to see it in the database logs before your bank account hits zero. This isn't a database, it's a production ready machine. In next video, we are building a reliable AI job queue using PostgreSQL. Subscribe to build AI systems that are actually scalable. We will meet in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.